Baby!
Roxanne, how many times do I have to tell you I am not your baby? Okay, you are my business partner. We are business partners, di ba?
Semantics lang yan, Robin. We're still partners. And besides, we're the perfect partner for Fuentes in your company. If you wanted to expand on East Asia because we have enough manpower for you and everything else that you need.
That is a valid point.
Tulong! Tulungan niyo ako! Tulong! Tulong! Ah! Oh my God! Oh my God, my Lola's pearls! Oh my God!
Cindy?
Sir Robin, what are you doing here? Sir Robin, tulungan niyo po ako. Tulungan niyo po ako, sir. No one is going to help you after you ruined my pearls. That's my Lola's pearls. Pinamana sa akin ng Lola ko yan.
Okay, wait.
Pasensya na po, hindi ko po sinasadya, ma'am.
Ano ba nangyayari?
No, this can't be happening. Hindi pwedeng masira ako sa harapan ni Robin. Emergency hire namin siya.
Ikaw tatakas ka pa eh.
Ang dali.
Sino ba yung lalaking yan?
He's my business partner, so shut your mouth. Okay? I'm sorry.
I heard a lot of good things about you. You're Robin, right?
Are you okay? Cindy? Are you good?
Aba, biglang bumait si Roxanne, ah. Nagbabait-baitan lang pala kasi nandito si Robin.
Wala akong kinalaman dito. I'm just very upset because of my pearls.
Masyado kaya tang defensive?
Totoo namang maldita yung si Ma'am Roxanne na yan.
Manyak talaga yung puntahan sa Curvato.
Roxanne? Ganito ba yung kalakaran ng company na pag-i-investan ko?
No?
At ikaw, ba't hinahabol mo si Cindy, ha?
Eh kasi ninakaw niya yung relo ko eh. Ilabas mo na kaya yun.
Sir, wala akong ninanakaw sa
Ninakaw
inyo,
mo na
sir.
to, nakita kita.
Sir, hindi ako ganun klaseng tao, sir.
Okay, tama na. Check.
Maniwala ka sa akin.
Checkbook.
Hindi talaga ako magnanakaw. Hindi ako ganun klaseng tao, Robin.
Bumili ka ng kahit anong watch na gusto mo, okay? And isama mo na yung pearls ni Roxanne.
Are you serious right now?
Isama mo na yung details, okay?
Robin, it's not about the money. It's my pearls. It's my Lola's pearls. Pinamana sa akin ng Lola ko yan. It's priceless. Sentimental yun sa akin. Why can't you see that?
Huwag po kayong mag-alala, ma'am. Sisiguraduhin ko pong mapupulot ko lahat ng mga perlas niyo.
Cindy. Tama na, okay? You don't have to do that. Come on, let's go. Yun. Kayo na lang magpulat, ha?
Salamat po, sir.
Why are you doing this for her?
Because Cindy works for me. Okay? Lahat ng staff ko, responsibility ko. So kung may pagkakamali sila, pagkakamali ko na rin yun. All right, Roxanne? Let's go.
Umanda ka sa akin, Cindy. Naggagaling-galingan ka pa? I will make you pay.
Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa ating istorya sa Tadhana. Nakaka-relate ka ba sa ating mga bida? Nako, i-comment mo na yan para sa iba't ibang kwento na punong-puno ng pag-asa at inspirasyon. Mag-subscribe na sa GMA Public Affairs at YouTube channel. I-click na rin ang bell button para lagi kang updated sa pinakabagong storya ng Tadhana.